Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I promise this is the last one. But somebody commented and gave me a little clue to make the math a little bit easier in figuring this out. So if you wanted 7-inch sides, all you have to do is take 7 divided by 6.5. So we'll go 7 divided by 6.5, and we hit enter, and we get that equation is 1 point. So you even can round all that off, but in Corel you can cut and paste this, so we can copy that. And then click on your rectangle, and with your ratio locked, just take away the inch side, and then we're gonna multiply by that number. I'm just gonna paste it in the equation and then hit enter. And all of a sudden our sides are 7 inches and much more precise. And you could do that, I think, with any shape or size, 5-sided, 6-sided, whatever. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.